This is Engineer A.C. Sahu, Faculty Expert, Mechanical Engineering. Welcome to MKT Education. Today we will discuss about Chapter 4 of Engineering Mechanics, that is Center of Gravity and Moment of Inertia. You have read 3 chapters and this is the 4th chapter you will be going to read, which is very important as far as engineering aspect is concerned. So we shouldn't delay, immediately we will start now. So let's start. Question chapter number 4, Center of Gravity and Moment of Inertia. So before start of the proceeding, let have the look at the introduction. A body can be supported at a point where the resultant of all weight forces acts. This point is called center of gravity of the body. We will explain it in detail. It is very important to know CG of a body for providing necessary support. This point may lie on the body or outside of the body depending upon its geometrical shape. So these things you will be discussing in this particular class. Friends, at the outset of the class, you will be able to know about the center of gravity of the body and its importance, and also you will be able to know about center of mass and difference between center of gravity and center of mass, and the process by which you can find you can locate the center of gravity of a body. Fine. So let immediately we will start. So what is center of gravity? So please have a look at this duster. Friends, suppose if I want to support by means of a supporting device. Suppose मैं जो finger मोर finger अच्छी से finger रे आपको support करेगी. I want to provide the necessary support to this duster. So then what I will do? I will provide the support exactly at this point. जोटा का मैं mid point कहूँ. It is very clear. यदि एठी हमें दबा, it cannot be supported. But if I will put my finger at this point, then the duster can be supported. Yes or no? So what is the reason why एठी होनी but एठी होची? The reason is जेतबेले हमें एठी support दोचे, we can provide the support to total weight of the duster, isn't it? I am not talking about this duster only. किसी भी object को हमें support देवा के लिए, we should provide the support at a particular point to provide fully support. Otherwise it cannot be supported. So support by there should be a point where the support will be provided, and that point is nothing but your center of gravity. We will come to this point. So center of gravity is a point at which total weight of the body is supposed to be concentrated. Just see this figure. Suppose this is a body, right? Just consider this object. So let the body is consisting of number of particles. The body is consisting of number of particles, right? And each particle is having some weight, because particles means definitely it possess mass. So definitely there will be weights, and each weight vertically downward, W1 particle 2, the weight is W2, particle 3, the weight is W3, particle 4, weight is W4. Likewise, each and every particles have some weight, and let's say this is the nth particle, so that the weight is Wn. So each particle has some weight. Now friends, मते कुह ये weight गुडा को direction रे थाए. Suppose एटा जदी से object हैला, and we consider this body is consisting of number of particles, small particles. Then each particle has weight, and सब गुडा कोड दियो vertically downward. That means W1, W2, W3, W4, likewise Wn पर्यंत all forces are acting vertically downward. And तमे already पढ़िছো कि if there is a number of forces, then we can reduce the number of forces to a single force, which is the resultant. Composition method we can find the resultant. So similarly, as there are n number of weights or weight forces, we can find the resultant of these all forces, all n number of forces, and that resultant कोठी act upon as it is a single force, let that is the total weight of the body W, as it is a single force, it is having a single point of action, right? So let this is the point, that is G, where the total weight of the body is supposed to be acting. This W, we can write this W, which is the total weight. This W equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus up to Wn. So W is the total weight of the body, or we can say resultant of W1, W2, W3 up to Wn. सबु वेट मिसिकिना होची W, जोटा कि टोटल वेट आ से गोटे पॉइंट रे एक्ट होची, जो पॉइंट रा को हम कहूचे सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी. सो देन व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी? सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी इज ए पॉइंट, रिमेंबर इट इज जस्ट ए पॉइंट वेयर जो पॉइंट रे टोटल वेट ऑफ द बॉडी इज सपोज्ड टू बी कंसंट्रेटेड. व्हाई इट इज सपोज्ड टू बी कंसंट्रेटेड? बिकॉज़ तमे निजे चिंता करो कि एटा जदी बॉडी हैला आर वेट गुडा सब आडे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हेकि अछि ना नै, इट इज वेरी क्लियर. बट वी आर assuming that total weight is concentrated at a particular point. So this is just an assumption, आउ किछि नो. That's why we can say center of gravity is a point where total weight is assumed to be concentrated or supposed to be concentrated. So this is the definition. Center of gravity of a body is a point at which total weight of the body is supposed to be concentrated. And same point रे center of gravity point रे हम जति सपोर्ट दबा, obviously support जति की force दउची weight सेति की force रहइबो and the body can be fully supported, isn't it? So center of gravity definition very clear. It is a point, and important is this point may lie on the body, may not lie on the body. किछि ऑब्जेक्ट अछि जोठी सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी जेमिति ए बॉडी रे सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी बॉडी भीतर ही लाई करूची, it is inside of the body, but there is certain examples of substances where center of gravity doesn't lie on the body. सेटा कोडी रहउची ना outside of the body. जेमिति गोटे सर्कुलर रिंग कथा हम जे चिंता करिबा, सर्कुलर रिंग, सपोज एटा है आपके सर्कुलर रिंग. सो इट सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी रहला तार सेंटर रे, राइट? सो सेंटर ऑफ एटा जेहेतु सर्कुलर रिंग, ऑब्वियसली मैटर गुडा पेरिफेरी रे रहउची. So and this is void space. So center of gravity obviously blank space रहइला, void space रहइला, empty space रहइला. So it is lying outside of the body. So सेतमै it is not mandatory कि center of gravity body ऊपर ही lie करिवो. It may lie on the body or outside of the body, right? So friends, how would important कथा ला center of mass. This is center of gravity where we can say the total weight of the body is supposed to be concentrated. But what is center of mass? So friends, center of mass likewise center of gravity, center of mass also same point, जो point रे total mass assumed to be concentrated. So we can write that is center of mass, right? Center of mass. So center of mass गोटे point जो point रे total mass of the body is concentrated. But friends, one difference रही है, जोठी mass जेते की weight भी सही point होगा ना, but no, there is some differences. Gravitation रे physics रे तमे पढिथिबो कि what is weight? Weight is mass into acceleration due to gravity. So W equal to mg. So there is substantial difference between weight and mass. गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट रो mass definitely possess करूची और रहिबो, but weight रहि न पारे, and it depends upon the value of g. g जदि कोठी 0 hi जाउची, then weight will be 0. And you know center of अर्थ रे g रो वैल्यू केते 0, and हाई अल्टीट्यूड को जदी जीवा g रो वैल्यू ग्रेजुअली डिक्रीज करूची. सो ऑब्वियसली वेट इज नॉट ए कांस्टेंट वैल्यू. ओनली सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ रे g रो वैल्यू ऑलरेडी यू नो 9.8 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर. बट सरफेस रो ऊपर को जीवा बा भीतर को जीवा g रो वैल्यू डेफिनेटली रिड्यूस होबे. यू हैव ऑलरेडी रेड इन फिजिक्स. बट सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी, सेंटर ऑफ अर्थ रे g रो वैल्यू 0. सो जो इट weight 0. But friends, just imagine जदि weight 0 हो गला, then what is center of gravity? Center of gravity आसीबो कोठु? Center of gravity जो point रे weight act होउची, weight तो नाही, सो आसीबो कोठु? But mass तो vanish होवर नै ना, so definitely mass रहिबो. So that's why it will be better if you say instead of center of gravity, center of mass. So center of mass कोन now the point where the total mass of the object is supposed to be concentrated. Friends, same point जोटा center of mass सेटा ही center of gravity, but difference एतिकी कि surface of earth रे आमे कहिबा center of gravity और center of mass, but जेतबेले center of earth को जाउछे जोटी 0 वैल्यू 0 होउची, weight 0 हो जाउची, सेटी better if you say center of mass. So center of gravity कहले that is wrong. So सेति पई आमे better surface of earth रे किछि भी कहिबा, but apart from surface of earth, center of mass will be the appropriate term to say, right? So center of mass कोन ना mass जोटी concentrate होला, but friend दीटा देखो point same, जोटी center of mass सेटा ही center of gravity. So that's why there is a significant difference between center of gravity and center of mass. So already we explain kari sarchi center of mass and center of gravity. This is the difference. Universe रे there exist some places where gravitational influence is not available. जोटा हम कहते center of earth है जोटी weight value 0. That's why you say simply center of mass, right? So I think you are clear now what is center of gravity and center of mass. Friends, now another important parameter or important term, centroid. What is the difference between center of gravity, center of mass and centroid? Center of gravity, center of mass already we have read or we have discussed. Now centroid. What is centroid? Friends, centroid is also the term relates to the same point of the object, but object mu kahi paribini because if you just imagine a piece of paper which is of rectangular shape, piece of paper having rectangular shape, right? So this piece is a rectangular shaped paper piece, and we cannot neglect the area of the rectangle or paper. Definitely it is having a large area, but just imagine what is the mass of this paper, obviously neglected. So it is better to say what area of the figure rather than mass of the object. So एटा को हमें body कहि परिबने, हम कहिबा rectangle geometrical figure गोटेटा, but it is not a body. So जोठी एई टाइप रो object रहउची बा जोठी mass dominate हेकी रहउची, dominate करूची कि ना area. So सेठी better we say simply say जेमति कि rectangular plate, rectangular figure, rectangular lamina. So जोठी area रो dominance बेसी बा area ही कहिबाटा ही appropriate हबो. So सेही point रे जो point रे total area concentrate करूची सेही point को हम कहूचे centroid. Centroid. So centroid is a point where total area of the figure is supposed to be concentrated. Same definition, खाली just difference है center of gravity रे weight concentrate होची, center of mass रे mass concentrate होची, and centroid रे area concentrate होची. काहे के area कहूचे? Because it is having very negligible mass. So it is better to say area. So that's why area जो figure रे concentrate हेला जो point रे that is your centroid. So now you got the difference between center of gravity, center of mass and centroid, right? So now how do you find the centroid or center of gravity? Normally it is customarily everybody are saying center of gravity in place of centroid, centroid in place of center of gravity. So absolutely there is no such difference. I mean करूचे बा कहिले किछ भूल होनी, but technically it is wrong. So center of gravity आमे कहूचे shortly CG कहूचे, centroid हो बा किछि भी हो आमे normally CG कहूचे बा center of gravity कहूचे. So it is just accepted, universally accepted. Everybody are accepting this center of gravity term. So now how do you find center of gravity of a body or centroid of an lamina, or you can say plane figure, centroid of a plane figure. So let us consider a body. Suppose this is the body, right? And just assume this body is consisting of several masses. जहाँ हम पूर्व discussion करूँ सेही टाइप रा हमें assume करिबा. So let's say this is mass 1, this is mass 2, this is mass 3, likewise this is mass n. And friends, ये जो मु method कहूँ this is called method of moment. Method of moment. Moment already you have read in first chapter. Moment कौन ना force into perpendicular distance. जेमिति force रो moment हम बाहर करते force into perpendicular distance. सेमती एरिया रो भी मोमेंट बाहर करि पारे एरिया इनटू डिस्टेंस मास रो मोमेंट बाहर करि पारिबा मास इनटू डिस्टेंस सो ए जो ऑब्जेक्ट मु नेली एठी सेवरल मासेस रहिछि बोली आमे कंसीडर करू छे m1 m2 m3 m4 likewise up to mn and let's say these are the two reference axes one is your x axis another is your y axis right and amar m कोन amar m हला कि यार सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी बा सेंटर टा कोठी अछि ताको लोक जेहेतु आमे एटी मास कहूचे इट इज बेटर टू से सेंटर ऑफ मास नॉट सेंटर सो लेट्स से ए पॉइंट रहउची सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी से पॉइंट मु g बोली धरली एंड तार कोऑर्डिनेट को x बार y बार बोली अज्यूम करिबा x बार y बार कोन ना कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ g सो दैट हम कहि परिबा ना ए डिस्टेंस ताला x बार and this vertical distance is your y bar right similarly mass m1 ro coordinate roila x1 bar y1 bar so this is x1 distance and this is y1 distance and mass 2 ro distance hala x2 bar and this vertical distance is y2 bar mass 3 ro distance kete x3 bar from y axis by x direction re x3 bar and vertical distance is y3 bar right so friends so all masses are having some coordinates x1 bar y1 bar x2 bar y2 bar x3 bar y3 bar likewise xn bar y1 yn bar so now ame bahar kariba moment for all masses m1 ro moment about y axis m2 ro moment about y axis m3 ro moment about y axis एमती up to mn पर्यंत जिबा so ame जदी कहिबा first mass रो moment of m1 means first mass about y axis केते हबो जिमिति तमे जानि छ लेट्स से एटा m1 कैपिटल m1 दरछि मोमेंट पई एटा स्मॉल m1 मींस मास कैपिटल m1 मींस मोमेंट ऑलरेडी यू हैव रेड कोन पढि छे ना मोमेंट हैला फोर्स इनटू डिस्टेंस सो एठी मास रो मोमेंट बाहर करछे सो मास इनटू डिस्टेंस कोठू डिस्टेंस न माने y एक्सिस रे बाहर छी सो y एक्सिस रो डिस्टेंस x1 बार सेति हम लिखले मास हैला m1 इनटू तार डिस्टेंस केते ना x1 बार Similarly, moment for mass 2, step capital M2 हम धरिबा which is mass 2 into distance you know x2 mass 2 का distance केते y axis x2 and M3 means moment of mass 3 about y axis equal to M3 into x3 bar. So friends, एमते हमें बात करबे up to mn. What is mn? Mass of a moment of mn mass about y axis. So which is your small mn into xn bar right so आउथरे मु डिफरेंशिएट करूची ए जो m1 कैपिटल m1 means moment small m means mass so हम जे कहबा टोटल मोमेंट केते हैला ना सब जगह ऐड करबा these are the scalar quantities scalar addition so total moment को हम जदी m धरिबा total moment of all masses about y axis हम कोन करबा m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus up to mn बा हम ताको लिख परबा m1 x1 बार plus m2 x2 बार plus m3 x3 बार एमते हमें जिबा up to mn xn बार सो एटा हला टोटल मोमेंट ए बॉडी रो फ्रेंड्स ऑलरेडी मु अज्यूम करिछि g पॉइंट ला तार सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी दैट मींस टोटल मास ऑब्जेक्ट रो c पॉइंट रो अछि यस और नो सो टोटल मास केते ना m1 plus m2 plus m3 up to mn जदी सेठी टोटल मास ता रहिला तार मोमेंट केते हो y एक्सिस रे सो टोटल मास m जोटा कि ऑब्जेक्ट रो मास इनटू डिस्टेंस यू नो दिस डिस्टेंस इज x बार टोटल मास इनटू डिस्टेंस सो टोटल मोमेंट आल्सो हम लिखि परिबा टोटल मास केते ना m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus up to mn सब जाको मास मिसै देबा टोटल मास पाई गले जोटा रहिछि g पॉइंट रे आ डिस्टेंस केते y एक्सिस रु x बार सो इनटू x बार राइट सो नाउ हमें कोन कहबा ना ऊपर जो ते लिखली फर्स्ट इक्वेशन m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 up to mn xn this is total moment of the object about y axis this is m1 plus m2 plus m3 up to mn total mass into distance that means same thing total moment of the object about y axis so these are the same we can equate these two equations that means what we can write m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 plus up to mn xn equal to m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus up to mn whole into x. So we can equate these two. So this is m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus up to mn whole into x bar, जोटा कि x bar कौन कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ g, x कोऑर्डिनेट. This is equal to m1 x1 bar plus m2 x2 bar plus up to mn xn bar. So एही इक्वेशन रु हमें फाइनली x bar जोटा कि सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी रो x कोऑर्डिनेट केते हबो ना, दिस इज m1 x1 bar plus m2 x2 bar plus up to mn xn bar divided by m1 plus m2 plus up to mn. और हम तक शॉर्ट लिख परिबा टोटल और समेशन ऑफ I varies from 1 to n. This is mi xi. mi कोन ना mass of first particle, mass of second particle, mass of third particle into I 1 put करिया first particle, 2 put करिया second particle. xi corresponding distance from y axis divided by summation of mi. So again I varies from 1 to n. This is x coordinate. So any process रे also we can find the y coordinate, same process. So what is y coordinate? This will be summation of mi yi again y कोन ना y हला m1 रो y coordinate, y2 m2 रो y coordinate, y3 m3 रो y coordinate, y4 m4 रो y coordinate divided by sum of mi. So this is y coordinate of the center of gravity. So this process is called method of moment. ए moment method को यूज करके हमें किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट रो सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी बाहर कर पाइबा. So now we will find, by using this method we will find the CG of a uniform rod. CG of a uniform rod. So please have a look about this rod. So we will find CG of a uniform rod. So now we draw a uniform rod. So let this is the uniform rod, right? And the length is L. Length of the rod is L, and let m, small m, equal to mass of rod per unit length, right? So a rod तार length है L, each unit length रो mass केते small m. ताल total rod रो mass केते हबो? So mass of rod केते हबो? Mass of rod. So unit length ପାଇଁ जदि small m हैला, mass of rod हमें सेटा capital M लिखुचे, that is equal to m into L. m into L, total mass of the rod. Now to find the or to locate the center of gravity, let us consider a small element from the rod at a distance of, let's say this is end A and this is end B. End A ru हमें कितने distance रे नौचे इटा ना x distance रे नौचे. x distance रे element टा consider करिचे जहाँ thickness है ला dx, right? So dx is the thickness of the element which is considered at a distance of x from end A, right? So mass of this element, how much? You know, mass of rod per unit length यदि m हैला, ताले dx length में कितना हो? m dx. So this is equal to m into dx, right? m into dx. m हैला mass of the rod per unit length. Per unit length means 1 unit. Means 1 meter है पर 1 centimeter जहाँ भी unit m होचे. So unit length by mass m, so dx length by mass m dx, right? So friends, now यदि mass m element रो वाला m into dx तार moment कितने about a हबो. So बाहर करो moment of element, moment of this element जहाँ length है dx about a, about point a कितने हबो. Already we have discussed moment, how to find the moment. Moment है ला force into distance, mass है ला mass into distance, area है ला area into distance. So इटी mass अच्छी, mass कहते हैं ना m dx. m dx हला मास डिस्टेंस केते अछि a पॉइंट रु x so this is m x dx right so now this is the moment of this element only now हमें बात करबा टोटल रॉड पाइन so moment of rod total rod about a ताल केते हबो already you have read in mathematics integration पढिछ ना पढिबो सो पढिबा दरकार बा पढिले जानिबो एबेठु मु कहि दोची फार्मूला इंटीग्रेशन माने समेशन गोटे स्मॉल क्वांटिटी यदि सेही टाइप रो लार्जर क्वांटिटी अछि ताल हमें सेम पैरामीटर पाइबा पय हेले सम करबा इंटीग्रेट करबा सो एई जो एक्सप्रेशन दोची मोमेंट ऑफ एलिमेंट सो टोटल ऑब्जेक्ट रो मोमेंट पाया पहले ताको इंटीग्रेशन ही करबा सो एटा इंटीग्रेशन m x dx एंड इंपोर्टेंट हला एठी गोटे टर्म थाए कांस्टेंट आ गोटे टर्म थाए वेरिएबल आ d सहित जो टर्म ता एसोसिएट हेकी थाए दैट इज योर वेरिएबल टर्म सो एठी ऑब्वियसली x हला वेरिएबल टर्म x रो वेरी कोट करछि ना a पॉइंट रे x रो वैल्यू 0 b पॉइंट रे x रो वैल्यू l सो हम लिख परबा लिमिट 0 ru l x varies from 0 to l so m ता हला कांस्टेंट सेति पय सेटा इंटीग्रेशन बाहर को पळे आसीबो एंड इंटीग्रेशन भीतर रे रहइबो इंटीग्रेशन x dx एंड द लिमिट इज 0 to l you know mathematics रे गोटे फार्मूला अछि इंटीग्रेशन फार्मूला यू हैव टू रेड इंटीग्रेशन x पावर n dx equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 ऑलरेडी ए फार्मूला तमे पढी सारी थी आई थिंक और पढिबो सो ए फार्मूला यूज करिबा x रो पावर डिफरेंस केते अछि किछि नाही माने पावर 1 सो दिस इज इक्वल टू m x रो पावर 1 दैट मींस दिस इज x पावर 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 and limit केते केते वेरी करछि 0 ru l so this is equal to m into x square by 2 x रो वैल्यू थरे हायर लिमिट पुट करिया माइनस x रो वैल्यू लोअर लिमिट दैट मींस x जगह रे हमें l पुट कले दिस इज l square by 2 माइनस l रो वैल्यू 0 पुट कले x रो वैल्यू माइनस 0 सो फाइनली केतेला ना m l square by 2 दिस इज द मोमेंट ऑफ टोटल रॉड अबाउट एंड a राइट एथरे किछि डाउट अछि कि यदि डाउट थिबो बारंबार वीडियो को देखले क्लियर हो जिवो राइट सो नाउ कम टू द सेकंड पार्ट कोन कहउछे ना हमें गोटे सबु एक्सप्रेशन बा सबु मेथड रे जे कोनसी ऑब्जेक्ट रो हमें सीजी बाहर करिबा एई मेथड रे एंड सेम प्रोसेस फर्स्ट हम एलिमेंट कंसीडर करिबा तारो मोमेंट नो बाय अबाउट सर्टेन पॉइंट देन ताको इंटीग्रेशन करिबा टू फाइंड द टोटल मोमेंट तापरे टोटल मोमेंट बाहर करिया बॉडी रो बाय कंसीडरिंग द सीजी लेट्स से एठी तार सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी रहउछ हमें जानि एटा केते डिस्टेंस लेट्स से एठी रहला g और से डिस्टेंस ता लेक्स हला x बार जोडे के हमें बाहर करिवार अछि केते डिस्टेंस ना x बार सो x बार डिस्टेंस जदी g रहिला दैट मींस टोटल मास ता g रे ही रहउछि तार हम लिखबे रे कोन again total moment equal to total moment equal to total mass that is m into l into distance केते x bar total mass कोठ रहउछि g रे so distance रहला a रु x bar total moment about a right so एबे हम डेटा का इक्वेट करबा एटा total moment about a डेटा का इक्वेट करो इक्वेट कले हम कोन पाइबा ना m l x bar equal to m l square by 2 or implies x bar equal to l by 2 काहे कि ना मास कटि गला गोटे l कटि गला सो l कटि गला परे रहला x bar equal to l by 2 so this is the expression for location of center of gravity of a uniform rod so एठु हमें कोन एंश्योर हेले l by 2 डिस्टेंस माने कोन मिड पॉइंट सो गोटे रॉड रो सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी एग्जैक्टली तार मिडिल लेंथ मिड पॉइंट मिडिल ऑफ द लेंथ रे लाई करिवो सो x बार वैल्यू केते हैला टोटल l हेले एटा l by 2 टोटल 10 हेले 5 मीटर रे रहइबो टोटल 60 हेले 30 मीटर रे रहइबो सो टोटल लेंथ जहा थिबो एग्जैक्टली मिड पॉइंट रे ही लाई करिवो दिस इज द सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी लोकेशन फॉर ए uniform rod. So now what are the key points you should remember? These are the key points. Center of gravity of a body is a point where total weight of the body is assumed to be concentrated. Already ए विषय हम डिस्कशन करि सारी छे. And centroid यूज हबो जोठी एरिया ही कंसीडर करा जिवो बा एरिया डोमिनेट करूथो मास को. और सीजी ऑलरेडी हम कहि छी कि सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी एबे जस्ट वी हैव डिस्कस्ड of a uniform rod lies exactly at the very point. So these are the key points you have to remember. And what are the important questions to be covered in this class? Define CG of a body. This is an important question, always exam रे आसुची. So you should remember center of gravity कौन. Already number of times हम कहि सारली. Center of gravity of a body is a point about which total weight is assumed to be concentrated. And what is the difference between CG and centroid? Quite number of times मैं again explain करिछि. CG हला total weight concentrate हबो बा mass concentrate हबो. centroid कहला माने area. सेटिया weight कथा आसीबनी. हम कहबा centroid of a plane figure जेमति कि rectangle, triangle, center of gravity of a body. So this is the difference. What does CG of a uniform rod lie? Just we have explained exactly at the midpoint. And what is center of mass? Center of mass means the point where total mass of the object is assumed to be concentrated. So friends, these are the important questions which have been repeatedly coming in your exam. So I think तमे सब बुझी सारी छो. फिर भी जदि किछि डाउट होची, you just repeat your watching. जेते अधिक देखिबो सेते अधिक बुझिबो.